Hello, join us on a very summery evening where we decided to catch up with our local barn owl and see how it's doing. Rich works evenings.
Nights.
Are you really going to be that pedantic?
That's not evenings, is it? I work nights.
Does it really matter?
That's to me. If I worked evenings and went home on evenings, I'll be in right trouble.
I was here last week and on my own, and I got a glorious show of the barn owl. I didn't vlog, I'm very sorry.
You put one of the pictures in the vlog that you took, because they were lovely.
I may share some of the photos. Depends on what I get today.
I will.
I might get better today.
Okay.
And so we're back again. Same spot as we were before. When we saw two barn owls. I'll put the link up here for that one, so you can watch that one. And, well, we love barn owls, so we're back. See how they're getting on. Hopefully they can catch lots and feed the youngsters.
The tree is over there. As from previous videos, you'll probably know the location now. Just waiting. I did forget to mention earlier that I'm shooting in group area AF on the Nikon DSLR system. Some wildlife photographers can get away with shooting in a different mode, which is D9 or D27 or something, which is a smaller target area, but I find it sometimes I can hit it with that mode, but a lot of the time I find group area mode more effective for me. And then I've just got a one button press where I can just go into single point for perch shots, which is obviously more accurate. Continuous autofocus, obviously, because it has to update all the time when it's tracking a moving subject. And that's about it. I think I have mentioned before, I've got a battery grip on the D850 which has various advantages. The biggest one being it puts the frame rate up from 7 frames a second to 9, which is I look all gangster, and put it on like that because I was looking through my camera. It just makes it a lot more responsive. Those 2 frames a second can make all the difference, as we know, when you're trying to take action sequences. Obviously gives better battery life, and it's much easier to shoot in portrait orientation, as you have a shutter button on top of the grip up on here, so you don't have to do the old funny grip with your hand. It's just a case of holding it on the side and you get a much more comfortable grip. So all in all, it's a very good purchase for the D850 and a D500 if you have that camera. Gemma has left me. She's gone, walked a bit further along the path to get a distant view of the tree where they reside. She's still a good distance away from it. She won't be interfering with them at all, so she can get a bit of a heads up if they're even out, because they might not even be out this evening yet. So I'm waiting where she filmed from earlier. The usual settings for me, which are 5.6 with a shutter speed of 1250th of a second. I find that plenty fast enough for the barn owls in flight, because they have a slower flight pattern. Their wing beats are slower and they glide a lot, and they're not so fast generally. So I find that shutter speed to be plenty fast enough. Auto ISO, the light is okay at the moment. Still got about another hour and a bit before the sun goes down, but it will be sooner than that because it will go down behind the trees, and as soon as it goes down behind the trees we lose that direct light. Now it's just as per usual, it's the old waiting game. But it's a pleasant evening, it's lovely and warm. There's a few gnatty fly things about, but apart from that we are patiently waiting.
Well, so far the barn owl hasn't come out. It's an hour before sunset. What's your view, Mr. Doom and Gloom?
Mr. Doom and Gloom is not here this evening.
No?
Nope. Mr. Happy and Sunny.
Ah.
Yeah.
Do you think we're going to get lucky?
We might not, but that's part of the game, isn't it? You know, we don't. This, where we are, there's another location that we go to that we've logged from before that is much more reliable, I'd say. Well, it is for the barn owl, but it can get very busy. It's much more well known locally. It can be a bit of a, not a scrum some evenings, but
not photographically great.
and it's not, no, and it's not, as Gemma just said, it's not as photographically great. The location here is much prettier, and when you do get it here, you can get some really nice shots of it. And most of the time when we come here, there's no one else here, which is another bonus. But yeah, just, who knows?
I'm being lazy today and enjoying a late evening sunbathe whilst waiting for the barn owl. The barn owl is out. I think he's in that tree or along that field at the back there.
I think it's gone behind that tree. I definitely saw that. Where did that come from then, Gemma? Because I didn't.
Yeah, it came from
Oh, did it?
along there. Yeah. Where's it going? No. The barn owl's been out for 5-10 minutes. Got a couple of shots, and now we're trying to concentrate on getting some video so you can actually see it for a change. So.
Yeah. It was a bit late coming out tonight, wasn't it?
Yeah, slightly later, yeah. But then the nights are
drawing. Well, they
Yeah,
were drawing
that's
out,
what I
but now
mean.
they're drawing in because we've passed the summer solstice. So
well, this is still
soon be winter. Winter.
still half an hour before sunset.
Soon be
So.
scraping the ice off the windscreens.
Oh God, Doom and Gloom's back.
Doom and gloom is back.
Oh no.
Come on, Barney. It's a shame because when we first got here, I don't know, the light was lovely, and I pre-focused on where I'd like him to be, just in my mind's eye, and there was like flies about. When, you know, when you get that summer evening haze, and it just looks all summery and evening-y. Come on, Barney. You're not filming this.
It's been kind of successful.
Yeah.
Not on the video front.
Well, I took some video, but as you'll see,
It's the tail end of it going.
it's pathetic. But at least you can see that it's moving. It's there.
Yeah, we're going to give it 10 more minutes to see if it comes back to do some more video, but the light's gone now for photographs. Nice to know still active.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Got a couple of shots.
Yep.
And
Yep.
oh, he's there. He's right there. He's come round all the way round.
Fucking tree thing.
Oh my god. Well, he's completely fooled us. He's come around in a completely different direction. And we were waiting from the left, and he's come straight round from the right again. If that's him. Because there is two, and he's up. Yep, he's coming round. We've got to go. It's bye from us. Hopefully we get more video. Bye.